What's going on, guys? Today, I gotta say, construction right now is in full swing. And for one, it's gonna be that way for a while because I'm gonna put this phone around, show you what's going on behind Despicable Me. They got a new pre-show going on in there, so we're gonna go check that out here in a while. But I want to show you guys this. Look at that. Here's the best spot to be able to see what's going on. And as I zoom in on this phone, which will be a little bit blurry, you could definitely see some rock work down there and a lot more of it down there where all the old school is. And there's the Jurassic World gate. Everybody's been calling it the arch lately, but to me it's still called the Jurassic World gate. And the only reason why I'm using this phone is because it allows me to zoom, but unfortunately the quality is not really that promising as much as I would really want it to be. But yeah, there's Nintendo Land. Construction is in full swing today, literally. And over there's the Animal House show too as well. You can hear the birds chirping back there. But overall, the park today closes at 6. I thought it closed at 9, but unfortunately only on the weekends. So it's Wednesday today, and not too bad for a cloudy day. Not even raining either. So we're gonna head on down there. Well, if you know me, I gotta see what's inside the Hollywood production store. Production Central. So you can still buy your basic Hot Toys and your hats, of course, and also the little license plate holder. Look at that. I think it's shaking around back there for $57. That's insane. And you can also buy these guys too if you wish. Oh yeah. Also some socks. And for these sweaters, man, they'll never have 2XL like anytime soon. It is what it is. And oh yeah, also lunch boxes too. And you can also still buy the hoverboard for a whopping $1,500. Just saying. They also got the Biff Mobile. And in case if you're interested, you can also buy some ET stuff, which is insane. You can even buy some ET shirts. Really cool. And the little toys. Pretty awesome. And if you're very savvy, you can buy some Bates Motels merch. A whole lot of different stuff. And yes, they still have all these here if you really want to be able to buy everything. Oh, look at that. They got the new It reboot version. And yes, you can even buy some Ghostbuster stuff too as well. That right there I want for like $40, which is not terribly pricey. But you can also buy a little plaque there. Hey, look at that! Yeah, King Kong Deluxe version. Wow, that's neat. Yeah, you could buy some Jurassic Park hats and lunch boxes, and yes, even sweaters too, and all the mugs that they got over here, and yes, Jurassic World stuff too as well. Even a tank top or whatever type slacks those are. We got more tank tops over here. Not bad. More mugs. I also have that mug. This is a really awesome mug, by the way. I don't have that particular sweater or that jacket right there. I don't have that particular shirt, except for the one I'm wearing now. And the old school Jurassic World toys you can be able to still get for Mattel. Not technically old school, but you know. We also got some mugs, some Tramp Tour shirts over here. Not bad. Oh yeah, and you can also get these blankets too as well, and more of those mugs. Yeah, for me, as much as I love Waterworld, you know, you guys know that I really like Waterworld. That's the shirt I was talking about. Yeah, the old school shirt. But I've seen that show like many times, and I know I've filmed that show for you guys like many times. It's interesting how the characters or the employees are interacting with people out here. So it's cool. I like the fact that they're doing it. And usually here at Universal, they always have like special events for DJ and all that crazy stuff. Especially they got a stage over here by the Simpsons ride. You can see that right there. It's really cool. Hey, only a 25-minute wait. Shall we devour the Simpsons ride? I think so. Yeah. Why not? It's been a while. It's a nice ride, even though I miss Back to the Future. Here's the stage I was talking to you about, which is that stage right here. Yeah, they always have DJ stuff all the time, man. It's like they rent the park out in order to be able to, you know, just have a good time. And 25-minute wait for the Simpsons ride. Dude, that's a heck of a bargain right there, man. Alright, we'll be on it here in a bit. Alright, you guys. We got the new Raptor Encounter corner right here. And there's the awesome mirror on the wall. It's looking really nice. And unfortunately, they're not doing any testing today. But you could definitely get a higher corner on the main escalator coming down. And if you zoom in all the way, you could definitely see the inside of the whole entire corner when you turn to the left. But it says life finds a way. The old Raptor Encounter, as you can see, is no more. It is gone. But down there, you could definitely see a lot more rock work than average. I could definitely tell they're trying to make it look like the Jurassic World movie. You know, as if they're fighting each other and, you know, a lot of bad things are happening. But there's the arch that everyone's calling it. It's also called the Jurassic World Gate, which is looking really good, literally, compared to both comparisons. I wonder what's going to happen to the Steven Spielberg plaque. Like, are they going to still plant it from there, or are they going to just have it up for display? I'm not quite sure what they're going to do, but they're not doing testing today, unfortunately. There is a boat back there, like way in the distance. There's a boat somewhere back there. But the color scheme for the boats are silver and blue, as you can tell. But, you know, it's a nice different color scheme. It's not bad. But I do like the Raptor Encounter look. It looks really awesome. And yeah. Now as for the hangout spot, I'm not sure what's going to go on for up there. If we're going to still eat up there or walk around up there, or, you know, whatever that's going to happen. So it looks promising, like we could still be able to do all that. And according to what the article that I saw, there's supposed to be a new corner back there, basically where you can like do a dino play, Jurassic World dino play area, new experiences just like they do in the Jurassic World movie, where you can find dino bones into the dirt and like legitimately find some awesome dinosaur bones as if you're doing that yourself. That's going to be really, really cool to see, and I can't wait to check that out too as well. By the way, here's a closer view of the arch. And construction today is at full swing, which is insane, because they're actually in full rush to get that done. I'm not quite sure what the year. I would say it's got to be a 4-year project, especially on that part. So there's the gate again. It's really nice to see that gate back up in its glorified spot. But overall, it looks really cool. It's going to say Jurassic World on it very soon. It's going to say that right there. So overall, Nintendo Land is looking really, really awesome by far. First, I thought they were doing construction, but it doesn't look like they're doing anything right now at the moment. But overall, they got the new extended cube for Transformers over there. That's going to be rocking and rolling pretty soon. And you can tell by the way the building is going to be, it looks like it's going to be exactly the same size as Transformers. So who knows what the cases will be. But this is going to be a huge showroom building, I can tell you that for sure. And I'm not quite sure how the entrance, either if it's going to be like, you know, where we jump into the sewer, Super Mario Brothers. But it's going to be very, very interesting. There's going to probably be multiple different corners of each and different ride that we could be able to experience. So, I mean, who knows? Right now, it's a Wednesday and there's absolutely nobody here. So if you want to buy yourself a turkey leg, it's still going to cost you like around $13 somewhere around there, which is not bad, but $13.95 for a turkey leg. But overall, you know, it's a good decent price for something like that. So yeah, I was filming on my other phone, but then I realized that I ran out of room on there. That must be Bumblebee coming out. Huh.
I think this is the beginning of a beautiful friendship.
Anyways, I just got myself one of those delicious ice creams, and oh my god, I haven't had an ice cream here for so long. I almost forgot how those ice creams are. It's like $6.95, but you know, it's not bad, not terribly bad for an ice cream. I did not get the ice cream cone. I just decided to get the basic ice cream. So anywho, it's about 10 minutes for the mummy ride right now. That is truly insane, I can tell you. See? 10 minutes. 10 crazy minutes for the mummy ride. One last look of this awesome attraction. It's gonna happen soon. And there's the gate. It's looking really, really good, you guys. It's looking too good. So good. Even I will ride it. We all know that the Mosasaurus screens are going to be inside this whole entire attraction too as well. It's going to be crazy. But anyways, it's looking real cool. Several palm trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 palm trees. Wow. 2 months? Oh, nice. That's crazy. No Raptor claw this time?
Oh yeah, hold it.
Yeah.
Always. I always keep it on.
Yo, can I hold it?
Yeah. It's blunted, don't worry. Don't hurt yourself.
Wow. That is... I've always wanted one of these. Eventually.
Yeah.
Life will find a way
There you
to
go.
be able to have one. So what do you think about Jurassic World?
About Jurassic World?
Yeah, it's coming soon. Very soon. I like the new Raptor Encounter. It looks nice. It's about time we're getting one.
Not yet. It's just a wall there.
Right?
Yeah.
But soon, once it's open, oh
We'll be
man.
back out. We don't want to keep her out drinking.
You guys, the Secret Life of Pets attraction is coming along quite nicely. Soon in 2020, which will be the thing of an awesomeness. Right next to Minion Mayhem, Despicable Me. And here's the crazy part. I believe these facades here are supposed to represent apartments, like in a New York fashion type style. Just the same way they've done in the movie, too, as well. But yeah, it's looking really good. Really, really awesome. Besides, it gives an awesome ambiance to the theme. Yeah, it's really cool.
Master villain, scourge of humanity. Ah, you want to be in me? Your training will begin soon, but be warned, danger lurks at every turn. Please, please, that is trying to be evil.
What are you doing?
I am trying.
The cutest puppy in the world.
Now, where was I? Margot?
What? There was a smudge.
I am the evil clown. Fear not, let no. That's enough. Girls, would you please just let me do this?
Oh, we were just trying to keep things interesting. Yeesh.
Okay, just be still and don't say any more words. These are my daughters. Say hello briefly.
Hello out there. Stop reading from the television.
Anyway, let's begin. We're going to start with a written exam. The test should take no longer than 3 hours. You will see none of the parts.
Hey, we're not doing the written exam, remember?
What? We're not? All right, we ditch that. Here's what you can expect life to be like once you're a ninja. I must warn you, it's not always this easy. You'll spend a lot of time in the lab doing dangerous science experiments. And sometimes we'll have to risk your lives, facing down ferocious enemies. Well, that was the best example. Moving on. As part of your assignment, you may need to go deep undercover. Visit exotic locations and be equipped with the latest super-villain tools of the trade. We'll also teach you new languages, like this guy. He's speaking in the international language of fox. You'll learn useful survival techniques, like don't sleep in the snow. You'll be my official food tester to ensure that what I eat isn't too spicy or too poison. You will be a part of history. You'll meet important people in faraway lands that you probably will never be allowed to go to again. But there are plenty of bonuses like unpaid vacations. And oh, the vehicles, oh, so cool and so unsafe. And the biggest bonus of all, working alongside your greatest villain in the world. You know I meant me, right? I'm sure that was obvious. Alright, if you are ready to be a minion, welcome to the family. So, do what I say, heed my words, or pay the price.
And have fun.
It's gonna be great.
Come on, smile, Grill.
I hate smiling.
This is a motion simulator involving sudden and extreme movement. Expectant mothers and individuals with heart, back, or neck conditions, abnormal blood pressure, or those prone to motion sickness or dizziness are advised not to ride this attraction. For your
So guys, I did pretty much everything today in the park. I wanted to do Forbidden Journey, but you know, didn't really get a chance to, because the park closes so early, like at 6 o'clock today, especially on a Wednesday. So here's the courtyard area. It looks really, really awesome. You can practically walk up those stairs if you wanted to, but you know. And here's the side corner. How'd you like it? Oh, dude, it was awesome. Graphics were great too. Sorry about that. That guy's good. So, anywho, as always, don't forget to click on that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. And I will see you guys real soon. Thank you all for 1,000 views for that video. It's like 1,395, almost like 1,400 views. It's still climbing, but definitely really awesome video that you guys should definitely check out for sure. So overall, I appreciate the support on this channel. I am so close to hitting 3,000 subscribers on this channel. But overall, you guys are extremely. Here's the rest of the courthouse area. It looks really, really awesome. Like it, I guess it's kind of like Europe in a way. That's the theming. So, anyways, my name is Jason. This is DNR USA. I will see you guys real soon. Have a good one. Thanks for enjoying the times here at Universal. That yellow car still there. There's definitely a cool car. And it turns out anybody can touch that car because there's no fencing of any kind back there, but you know, it is what it is. Thank you. I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.